Today I will be demonstrating proper range safety and how to load and properly fire a semi-automatic pistol and a 6-shot revolver. With the semi-automatic pistol, the first thing you always want to do is make sure that your weapon is on safe, which this particular model, this little button up is weapon on safe. That is weapon off of safe. So make sure your weapon's on safe. To load your magazine, you're going to take your ammo and simply push down and in to your magazine. A very important part of range safety is hearing protection. To load your magazine into your weapon, you simply slide it up and make sure it's in place. Your weapon's still on safe. For this particular model, in order to chamber around, you have to take the weapon off of safe, pull the slide back, and now you have a round chambered. Next, you take aim and fire. To dispense your magazine, you hit this button here and your magazine will come out. You release your slide forward and place your weapon back on safe.